In today's video, you'll learn what is an essential oil and what are the different quality levels of oil. Essential oil quality is so important. Do you know what sets apart certain essential oils from others? In this video, you'll get to know what an essential oil really is and why some are more valuable than others. An essential oil is a volatile substance derived from plants that contains the natural smell and characteristics of the plant. When I say volatile, I don't mean explosive. Essential oils are volatile in the sense that they rise quickly into the air and generate a smell within the area. All essential oils possess this quality, but not all essential oils are of the same quality. Today, you can find 4 different grades of essential oils on the market. The first is Young Living Standard, often called therapeutic grade. These oils are considered pure essential oils, extracted from sustainably raised plants, and contain optimal levels of natural plant compounds found in organic botanicals. Next, you'll see natural or organic essential oils. These oils can pass growing standards, but may or may not contain optimal levels of important plant compounds found in Young Living's essential oils. Next, you'll find what is known as extended or altered oils. These are considered fragrance-grade oils because they are used for their aroma only and offer minimal or undetectable levels of important plant compounds. Lastly, there are synthetic or nature-identical oils, and these oils are simply created in a laboratory. Each quality of essential oil has its place, but because Young Living's therapeutic grade essential oils are pure and contain the optimal levels of desirable plant compounds, they are the only oils that we recommend for personal use. Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to use essential oils. If you're new to essential oils, please note that each bottle of Young Living essential oils is labeled with directions for how that oil can be used. The labels are product specific and may vary based on location. Please consult with the product label for appropriate usage directions. The label may indicate use of an essential oil through one or more of these methods. The first is topical application, in which essential oils may be applied directly to the skin or diluted using a carrier oil. A carrier oil is a vegetable oil such as Young Living's V6 vegetable complex, olive oil, or coconut oil. Carrier oils ensure that the application of essential oil is comfortable and prevents waste from excessive application. Products such as vegetable shortening, butter, and margarine, as well as petroleum derivatives such as petrolatum jelly, should not be used as a carrier oil. You may also use essential oils by inhaling them. This can be done by directly inhaling their aroma from the bottle or by using a Young Living diffuser to release the oils into the air. Finally, essential oils may be ingested. You may choose to dispense the oils directly onto your tongue, mix with water or Nensha Red, or place in a capsule before swallowing. Be sure to always check the label to see how essential oils may best be used. In this video, you will learn how essential oils are extracted. You may wonder how essential oils are extracted from plants. 4 basic extraction techniques exist: distilling, cold pressing, resin tapping, and absolute oil extraction. And I'd like to cover each of these in detail. Let's start with the most common of all the essential oil extraction methods, which is steam distillation. This process allows us to extract essential oils from very delicate plant materials. During the process, it's critical to control temperature and pressure to avoid burning the oils during distillation. During steam distillation, we place a water bath over a heat source with the aromatic plants suspended over the water. As the water is heated, a steam is generated and rises through the plant material. That steam, now heavy with essential oil molecules, moves into a condensing coil. The condensing coil is warm on the inside but surrounded by a cool water bath, causing the steam to condense into floral water and essential oils. Because water and oil do not generally mix, a natural separation occurs where the floral water sinks to the bottom and the essential oil rises to the top. The floral water can then be drained and the essential oil is collected and then sent to be decanted and filtered. Another method used to extract essential oils is cold pressing. This technique is specifically used for citrus essential oils and fatty oils. Citrus oils contain delicate citral molecules that are broken down via steam distillation and become very bitter. Therefore, Young Living does not accept any citrus oils that have been steam distilled, only those that have been cold pressed. Fatty oils such as olive oil, almond oil, jojoba oil, and coconut oil are also cold pressed directly from the plant material. So what is cold pressing? Envision a very simple technique in which you place a very heavy weight on top of a container full of plant material. The heavy weight then presses the natural oils out of the plant material and is in essence cold pressing. A third, less common technique is called resin tapping. This technique is used for a few of Young Living's essential oils, including frankincense, myrrh, and copaiba. During resin tapping, external plant parts are cut, and this allows the internal resin to seep out and be collected. Then, the resin is steam distilled, which gives rise to the essential oils. The final technique is absolute oil extraction. This is the most complicated of essential oil extraction techniques because it requires use of a solvent. A solvent is a substance that helps to dissolve another substance. In the case of some essential oils, the plant material is so very delicate that it would not survive an initial steam distillation. During absolute extraction, we add a solvent to the plant material. The solvent helps to pull the essential oil out of the plant without compromising the integrity of the oil. Then, in order to separate the solvent from the essential oil, a second extraction uses steam to recover the solvent and produce the final absolute oil. The absolute oil is then collected and sent to our laboratory for testing. Absolute oil extraction is only used for jasmine and neroli essential oil. And it's important to note that a trace residue of the solvent may be left behind, so ingestion of these oils is not recommended. However, the solvent that is left behind evaporates very quickly, so jasmine and neroli are perfectly safe for topical application and inhalation. We at Young Living are committed to using the best possible extraction method for each essential oil that we offer. Our proprietary seed-to-seal process is designed to preserve as much of the botanical's precious chemical profile as possible.